Hi guys, how are you all? Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I am gonna be sharing my coconut oil hair wash routine with you all. It has been quite some time now since I'm using coconut oil as my hair care, and I have reached some amazing benefits. Not only it helps in making the hair longer, beautiful and shiner, but it also helps in adding thickness to the hair. So I'm going to be telling you how I use it and what is the brand that I love. So without further ado, we are quickly going to be diving in. So about the coconut oil, guys, I love how versatile the oil is because you can use it in your hair care, you can use it in your skin care, and you can also cook with this oil, and it is going to be very healthy for you all. But in today's video, we are going to be mainly focusing on the hair and how I use it in my hair care routine. Now, the brand which I want to specifically emphasize in today's video is gonna be this MaxCare Virgin Coconut Oil, which is extracted from coconut milk. And I'll tell you why I prefer this, because it is extracted from cold pressed coconut milk. Now, most of the oils which are available in the market, especially the coconut oil I'm talking about, are extracted using high pressure or heat. And when you use high pressure or heat to extract out any oil, natural properties doesn't stay intact, but in this one properties are intact. It is very moisturizing for the skin because winters are just around the corner. I even use it in my skincare routine, so I'll tell you how I use it. So once I hop out of shower, guys, I make sure that I take a little bit, apply it all over my body. It helps in moisturizing the skin. And why you should use coconut oil as your skin moisturizer is because of the fact that whenever you apply anything on the skin, guys, it goes in your bloodstream. And if you cannot eat something, just avoid applying it on your body as well. So this is what I believe. So I try to stick around applying coconut oil on the body. It helps in making your skin shine. It is extremely moisturizing in the nature as well, and it is completely safe to use because it is naturally extracted.
So I want to tell you the difference between the Max coconut hair oil and the other brands. The other brand's oil is extracted from copra at high heat and pressure, but MaxCare coconut oil is extracted from fresh coconut milk. And other brand has pungent aroma, is very greasy, but this one has mild fresh aroma and isn't greasy at all. Also, I would recommend you guys to go and check the ingredient list because you need a coconut oil which is extracted from coconut milk instead of copra.
So about the fragrance, it is a very mild aroma which stays on your skin throughout the day. That is why I love it. And most of the oils, if you go and buy from the market, you will see over a period of time it turns rancid. So but I have been using it from 1 month now and the aroma stays intact. Now let's move on to how I use it in my hair care routine. I have told you about the skincare routine. Now for the hair, guys, before a wash day, I apply it on my roots and also on the lengths of my hair. It has these amazing properties. It has antibacterial and antifungal properties, which helps in making your scalp healthier. In winters, we all are gonna have dandruff and there is gonna be a buildup in the scalp. Because it has antifungal and antibacterial properties, it is gonna make your scalp healthier, and when your scalp is healthier, your hair are eventually gonna be healthier. So take a bit, apply it all over your hair on the lengths and on the roots as well. And yes, you can wash it off the next day using a mild shampoo and a conditioner. I have been using it from quite some time now and I'm able to reap some amazing benefits for myself. You definitely should go and check it out, and believe me, you're not going to be disappointed with the brand. I love how beautifully it smells, and just make sure that you give this one a try. I will make sure that I add the link in the description box below so you guys can go and check it out. Also, I use it to remove my makeup. It is going to be very easy there as well. So take it on a cotton pad, and whenever you have makeup on, just in one swipe and it is gonna go away.
So guys, make sure that you check out MaxCare Virgin Coconut Oil. The link is gonna be in the description box below. I really hope that you find the video helpful. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys super soon with another one. Till then, take care, bye bye. I love you all so much.